Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn about affiliate marketing. It is a revenue sharing strategy where an affiliate, such as a blogger, promoter, or YouTuber, promotes a company's products or services to assist in achieving its sales or marketing objectives. In return, affiliates receive a commission based on the sales or customer traffic generated through their promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing holds significant value for several reasons. Businesses only pay affiliates when a specific action is completed, such as sales and leads. This reduces the risk of wasted advertising spend. Affiliates have established audiences, enabling businesses to access new markets and demographics that traditional advertising may not reach. Affiliates, particularly influencers and content creators, significantly enhance a brand's credibility. Their endorsements resonate with consumers because they are seen as trusted authorities, leading to increased trust and potential sales for the brand. Affiliate marketing is scalable and can quickly attract multiple affiliates to promote its products, facilitating rapid growth without significant extra marketing costs. Affiliate marketing platforms typically offer tracking tools that enable businesses to monitor the effectiveness of their campaigns, making it easier to adjust strategies and optimize performance.